true. Fun and learning just for you.
Hi, friends! I'm Lumie. And I'm Niko. Welcome to Lumie and Niko's Big Adventure! Where are we going today, Lumie? Look, it's our unicorn friend. Let's go! Let's explore! With our unicorn friends! Yay!
Unicorn friends join every day. Rainbow colors shining high. Magic sparkles in the sky. Unicorns, unicorns, let's all play. Lumie and Niko lead the way. Magic, laughter shining bright. Adventure time from day to night. Gallop fast, the stars all glow. Over the hills away we go. Singing songs so fun and free. Come and join this melody. Unicorns, unicorns, let's all play. Lumie and Niko lead the way. Magic, laughter shining bright. Adventure time from day to night. Sparkling lights, a starry stream. Flying high inside a dream. Hold on tight, the ride so sweet. Unicorns make life complete. Unicorns, unicorns, let's all play. Lumie and Niko lead the way. Magic, laughter shining bright. Adventure time from day to night. Unicorns, Lumie and Niko too. Adventure time with me and you.
Bye, friends! Thanks for joining us! See you soon for another adventure! Thanks for watching! See you next time!
Lumie and Niko, friends so dear. Thanks for joining, see you here. Wave goodbye, it's time to play. More adventures another day.